Hello, good morning friends. Today at Aryan Silks we are showing you some nice range of chiffon sarees. All these sarees are coming in party wear range. They all range between 1300 and 1600. Sarees are lightweight, easy to wear and you can carry them off for the whole day. Just use them as party wear. They're all coming in sober colors with good floral prints. I'm going to show you all the sarees one by one friends. If you like any of the sarees, please write to us at silksaryan@gmail.com. You can also WhatsApp at the given number. You can also leave a comment in the comment section just mentioning the color and print of the saree. You can also send us screenshots if you want to buy the saree. Please book the sarees ASAP because all the sarees are fast selling. Nice colors. The first one here coming is in pink, greyish pink color. Greyish pink colored saree, floral prints all over. I mentioned earlier, and this is the pallu of the saree. I am going to show you all the sarees wearing on myself, and there is a border to this saree. I am just wearing this saree, and I can feel how beautiful the saree is, and I can also feel the smoothness of the saree. Very smooth sarees. You can also wear them on daily basis if you are a saree lover. Beautiful saree, and all the sarees are coming with blouse pieces in contrast colors. The same color as in floral prints. I am going to show you the blouse piece of each saree. We can also customize the blouse pieces and blouses friends. We can also customize the blouses. To customize the blouse, please mention when you buy the saree. The next one coming is in baby pink color. Baby pink colored saree with floral prints all over. A beautiful baby pink colored saree with floral prints all over, and there's a pallu here. Hope you are getting a nice view of all the sarees. There's a pallu, lightweight saree, floral print in pink and orange colors. There are brown leaves all over. Beautiful color combination. I mentioned all the sarees are coming in sober colors. Sober colors are in trend now, and the floral prints as well. Spring is around, and we thought we'll come up with these floral prints which will suit almost all the seasons. This is a beige colored saree. Just wear them for your kitty parties and you will look beautiful and you will stand out. I am mentioning. And this is a beige colored saree here with the same border on either sides, and there's a pallu friends. There's a pallu here, and the saree is beautifully printed with these floral prints, and there's a blouse piece along with this peach colored blouse piece. Just mention the color of the saree as beige with floral prints or send me a screenshot friends. Don't miss a chance to grab these sarees, very fast selling sarees here. This is a satin chiffon saree, a peach colored satin chiffon saree with leaf prints all over, leaves all over, and there is a satin border at the bottom and top, and there's a pallu, beautiful pallu for this. This is the whole saree. Just look at the texture of the saree. I'm feeling it, very smooth. This is the blouse piece. Beautiful blouse piece, linen blouse piece given to this saree. Just see the color of the saree, how beautiful it is. It goes very well on all of us. The next one coming is in biscuit color. A biscuit colored saree. Look at the color combinations given in the saree. Floral prints, multicolored floral prints all over. And there is a pallu here with borders on either side. Biscuit colored saree, dark beige, and there is a beautiful maroon blouse piece along with this saree. Beautifully printed maroon blouse piece along with this biscuit colored saree. The next one coming is in pink again. Nice pink shades again with floral prints. I'll just wear it on myself. Just take a look how beautiful they are looking. Look at the color combinations friends. You will love to wear these sarees. Very easy sarees. And this is the pallu and the body. Baby pink colored saree with multicolor floral prints on it, and there are borders in multicolors on either side, and there is a beautifully given blouse piece along with this. We also customize the blouse piece. I mentioned again, we can also customize beautiful blouse pieces with this. We will give out blouse pieces, or you can also order for a stitched blouse for these sarees. The next one coming is in pink color again. A pink colored saree sober pink colored sari with geometrical prints all over. Geometrical prints in multicolors, grey and pink. There's a pallu here. This is the pallu of the sari. And the sari here. And the blouse piece here coming is in grey color, which suits the sari very well. You will just stand out with these designs. I promise each sari is different and you will love to wear these saris. The next one coming is in brown color. This is a brown colored sari with mustard prints on it. Unusual prints here. What a nice print here. Unusual prints in mustard color on brown sari with nice traditional border given for this designer sari. Just look at the sari color. And this is the pallu. It goes with all the complexions. Don't miss a chance to grab these saris. Beautiful saris. You will not have a second chance to buy these saris, friends. So just mention the color of the saris and keep grabbing the saris. This is the brown blouse piece given to this sari. The next one coming is in green. Turquoise green. Turquoise green and sea green mixed very well, blended very well to give this color combination. Wow, what a bright color combination here. All the colors mixed very well, and this is the pallu here with the border. Hope you are getting a view of these borders. Borders are highlight for all the saris, and all the saris are coming with blouse pieces. Just mention the color of this sari as turquoise green and sea green, and there's a plain blouse piece given to this along with the border. So this border comes to your sleeves, which gives a grander look for all the saris. The next one coming here is in green color. A green colored sari, leaf green colored sari with unusual prints again, geometrical and unusual prints. Green colored sari with nice border on either side. This is the pallu. This is the sari. The green, which suits for all your occasions. You can just wear them with all your traditional and fancy occasions. The next one coming is in pink again. Beautiful pink colored sari. I'll just open the sari for you. I'll just wear it on myself again. There's a nice pink. Pink with peach. What a nice combination here. Glamorous saris. Very stylish. I'm just feeling the look here. Just see the saris. Glamorous saris here, friends. With peach and pink combination. Nice peach and pink combination to suit all your parties. Beautiful blouse piece given to this. We also customize. There's a tie and dye blouse piece, so you can go with the same blouse here. You need not again customize a blouse piece for this. Just a ruffle sleeve blouse with this. Nice combination. The next one coming here is in beige color. A beautiful beige colored sari here with floral prints. We have only come up with floral, geometrical and unusual prints this time because we want to keep it simple and elegant. This is a beige colored sari with nice floral prints all over, and there is a pallu here for this, and we also have a blouse piece given to this. A nice printed blouse piece, embossed blouse piece. This is the blouse piece, friends. An embossed blouse piece in peach color to suit this beige color sari. Beautiful color combinations to suit all of us. You need not mention the color complexion of yourself. Just close your eyes and wear these saris. They will suit you very well. Look at the color of the sari, friends. An orange colored sari with green floral prints all over, and there's a pallu here. What a dynamic color combination. It's looking very bright here, I see. Looking really bright, and they've given a nice plain orange blouse piece to it along with this border. An orange blouse piece to this along with this border. A nice floral print orange colored sari. The next one coming is in geometrical print. A nice geometrical print sari here. Satin chiffon sari. I am mentioning the cloth of the sari again. The fabric here is in satin chiffon. Satin chiffon sari with pallu, and there is a nice border to it given on either side. Either side border given to this geometrical printed sari, mustard yellow sari with multicolor prints on it. Beautiful color combinations given to it, and there is a nice cotton blouse piece. A nice cotton, Chanderi cotton blouse piece given to this in checkered design. Checkered design with the border for the sleeve given, and there is a nice sari. Just see the combination of the sari and the blouse. The next one coming is an unusual print again. Multicolored sari here, beige and grey. Beige and grey multicolored saris. Nice combination of grey and beige. Look at the sari, friends. Look how beautiful it is made. Just see the color combinations of the saris. I promise you will love all the saris. They are coming in chiffons and satin chiffons, and the pallu is here. There is a pallu border given on either side. All the saris are coming with borders on either side and blouse piece. And there is a black plain blouse piece to it given with the border. Black plain blouse piece given with the border. Just mention the color of the sari as beige and grey. The next one coming is in blue color. A nice blue colored sari. Just see the prints, geometrical prints all over the sari. What an unusual print, and you will look beautiful with these prints. That will give you a slim look also. All the chiffon saris will make you look thinner and slimmer. This is the pallu and this is the sari, and I am going to show you the blouse piece. Nice similar colored blouse piece given with this sari along with the border. What a nice combination. Just see how it suits me. Beautiful sari color combination. Just mention the color of the sari as blue with unusual prints or geometrical prints. Or you can also send a screenshot of these saris. Friends, we've already started getting bookings for these saris. Just don't miss a chance. Gorgeous, glamorous sari here. Just see the boomerang design on this. There's a boomerang design given to this sari in peach and pink color combination. Peach and pink colored sari with satin border on either side. There's a pallu to this sari, and there's a beautiful blouse piece also given to this sari. Just mention the design and color of this sari as boomerang sari with pink colors. This is a Chanderi cotton blouse piece given to this, and there is a border given to the sleeve. You need not go for a different blouse also for this sari. They've already given a beautiful blouse piece. The next one, the same pattern, the same boomerang pattern, again coming here in different color, beige and green combination. Stylish saris, and this is the pallu of the saris. This is the pallu of the sari, and the border given on either side is very small, which is making it look even cooler. And there's a blouse piece given to this. A printed embossed blouse piece. Beautiful blouse piece given to this. The next one, friends, coming is in beige color again. Beige color with multicolored unusual print sari. This is the sari here. Hope you are getting a nice view of this sari. This is the sari with the border on either side. This is the pallu. This is the sari, and the blouse piece I will show you. This is the printed red blouse piece. Because there are red prints on this, they have given a red blouse piece. Beautiful color combination, very bright in color. Just grab the sari. The next one coming is in vintage design. Very old design, given a nice new lease of design here. Just see the sari here, friends, with nice vintage design given, similar to polka dots. there is a pallu here, combination of mustard and brown. Nice combination of mustard and brown. This is the sari. And a brown blouse with stripes given to this beautiful blouse piece. You can also customize a different blouse piece if you want. We will also customize the blouses for you. The next one coming is in multicolor. A multicolored sari here. A multicolored black beauty again. Multicolored sari with all these color combinations in black, red, orange, mixed with different colors, nicely blended to give you beautiful look. This is the pallu, this border on either side. All the saris are coming with fancy borders on either sides and nice printed and embossed blouse pieces given to all the saris. There is a plain maroon blouse piece given with the border. This is the sari with the blouse piece. Beautiful color combination of black, red and maroon mixed very well to give you a great look. Next one coming is in pink color, pink and peach color. A very nice stylish sari. Pink, peach and grey. Blended very well. Given unusual prints all over the sari. Just look at the sari friends. How beautiful it is looking. Pink, peach, grey with pink borders on either side, satin borders, and this is the pallu for the sari, and there's a blouse piece given to this. Hope you are loving the saris. This is a nice blouse piece given to it in darker shade of peach. Very beautiful blouse piece with this sari. This one coming is in creamish yellow. Creamish yellow sari, nice sari here, lightweight. I'm just feeling the weight of the sari, very lightweight sari, coming with floral prints. This is the sari and the pallu here. Look at the floral prints given to it, friends. These multicolored prints are giving a nice look to this sari, very lightweight sari. Just wear them like any kurti of yours. Such lightweight saris, and this is the blouse piece given in creamish yellow sari, yellow design and color. This is the sari. Just mention the color of the sari as creamish yellow to book this sari. This one particular color is coming in bright color combination, mustard yellow and green. Mustard yellow and green color combination. What a great bright combination. Mustard yellow with green blue combination and traditional borders on either side to give a tinge of party wear look if the party is something traditional. And this is the pallu, the sari here. Friends, hope you are getting a nice view of all the saris. If not, please do write to us to know more about these saris. This is the blouse piece. Look at the blouse piece, friends. It's coming in green color, Rama green color. Nice blouse piece along with this sari. Just see the color combinations. Beautiful color combination to suit all of us for all occasions. The next one coming is in cream color. Creamish off-white color with this orange prints all over, which is giving it a nice bright look. Just see the color of the sari, off-white, creamish off-white sari and orange prints all over the sari with orange border. All the borders are unique, which is making every sari beautiful. They're giving rich look to all the saris, and this is the blouse piece. Reddish orange blouse piece given to it with the border at the bottom. Just to book this sari, mention the color of the sari as creamish off-white sari. The next one coming is in multicolor again. A multicolored sari. Mustard, maroon, red, green mixed very well. Look at the blend of the colors. They're just different colors on this sari to give you a bright, nice look. The sari also depends on the blouse you design. Customize nice blouses for these saris to give them even more nicer look. And this is the sari, the pallu here and the sari here again in the same mustard, maroon, red color combinations, and there is a red blouse piece along with this. A red blouse piece given with the border along with this saree. Just see the color of the saree, friends. Just mention the color of this saree as mustard and red. Friends, hope you got a nice look of all the sarees and you love the sarees. And we will come up with more videos henceforth. Please do like our video. You can also subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thank you.